Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best tools to enhance your DIY projects. Today, we're diving into one of the finest tools for precision cutting, the FIRSTINFO H5441 Metal Aluminum Miter Box. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile miter box, this one stands out as the best metal miter box for any woodworking, hobbyist, or DIY enthusiast. The FIRSTINFO H5441 miter box is made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring long-lasting durability and a lightweight, portable design. It measures 9.8 inches in length and offers a maximum cutting width of 3 inches and a maximum thickness of 2 inches, making it ideal for cutting wood, plastic, and even some metals. Whether you're framing, molding, or making precise cuts for various craft projects, this miter box offers a strong and stable platform to work on. What makes the FIRSTINFO miter box exceptional is its versatility. It features 3 preset cutting angles: 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees. This range of angles allows you to handle a variety of cuts with precision and ease. Plus, the blade's thickness compatibility of up to 1.2 mm ensures you can use a range of saws to get the job done. One of the standout features of this miter box is its fixable slipping pedestal. It secures the workpiece in place while you cut, preventing any slipping or shifting that could result in an inaccurate cut. This is a feature that truly sets it apart from many other miter boxes, offering stability and control throughout your cutting process. The aluminum construction of the FIRSTINFO miter box not only makes it sturdy but also makes it lightweight enough for easy transport. Whether you're working in your garage or taking it on the go for a project at a friend's place, it's compact enough to carry with you without sacrificing strength or stability. Designed and manufactured in Taiwan, the FIRSTINFO miter box is built with professional quality standards, ensuring a smooth and efficient cutting experience. It's perfect for anyone from DIY enthusiasts to professional woodworkers, whether you're cutting simple framing pieces or tackling more intricate cuts. When it comes to customer satisfaction, FIRSTINFO offers excellent after-sales support, including a 12+ 18-month warranty. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a tool that will perform for years to come. So, if you're looking for a reliable, precise, and durable miter box, the FIRSTINFO H5441 Metal Aluminum Miter Box is a fantastic choice. With its quality construction, versatile angle options, and practical design, it's the perfect tool to help you achieve accurate cuts every time. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Happy crafting and see you next time.